Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I got this tropical look using Juvia's Place eyeshadows. First, I'm going to start out with my brows as usual. I feel like this takes forever, so I may just start doing this off camera and then just head right into eyeshadow. Anyway, I'm carving out my brows first. I just seen a million people do this and I thought I'd try it and I hated it, so won't be doing that again. And now I'm just going to fill them in. I'm using this Anastasia brow brush. I think this is the number 12. And I'm just filling it in with Dip Brow in the shade Caramel. And I didn't really speed this process up too much because I really wanted to be able to go in depth and kind of show you like how long it takes me to fill it in. And the reason why I'm late all the time. After setting my eyeshadow base, the first palette that I'm going to go into is the Zulu palette. And you'll notice that I start off with the yellow shade and then I'll go into the orange shade. Now moving on to the Festival palette, I can tell you that I was very disappointed in this red shade. It came up pretty pink. So I blended it out and then I decided to go into a little bit of a deeper shade. So I just went into M26 from Makeup Forever, and that's a single shadow. The brown shade that I'm going into right now is from the Masquerade palette. For the inner corner, I mixed together two MAC pigments. This is Whisper Pink and Rose